Denim finds a fresh stage on the hardwood as Jordan brand unveils the Jordan Heir Work Blue Edition, arriving in August 2025 for $115 through Nike.com and select outlets. A women-led design offered in full unisex sizing, this model blends lifestyle cues with modern performance elements. The sneaker swaps out traditional mesh for work blue denim across the lower upper, a material usually reserved for retro favorites like the AJ1 and AJ4. White leather overlays cover the forefoot and eyestays, while a padded white canvas collar adds comfort and contrast. DPU structures in white are accented with hydrogen blue and metallic silver, and golden hits brighten the heel tab and tongue. Though denim has previously appeared on signature models like Jayson Tatum's, its presence on performance-oriented shoes remains rare. With its offbeat yet stylish aesthetic, the Jordan Heir invites fans to reconsider what belongs on the court, and proves that fashion and function can truly coexist.